Hello everyone, welcome to the next iDoceo tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to create custom checklists to record things like daily attendance and also to keep track of homework completion. So before you go ahead and create your custom checklists, what you might want to do first is customize some icons. iDoceo gives you the option of putting in icons instead of text. So let's scroll down here. You want to click on settings, a little gear there, so click there. When you click on settings, that opens up the settings menu. So you want to scroll down till you find the gradebook options. What you want to do first is you want to go down to custom editor. So go ahead and click there. As you can see, iDoceo gives you the option of creating a lot of different custom icon sets. So we're going to create one right now for homework completion. So I'm going to go ahead and use Custom Editor 3 right here. All I have to do to put icons into my custom editor, just click on one of the X's right here. So I'm going to click there, and that's going to open up this window here with all kinds of icons. There's hundreds of icons that come with iDoceo that you can use. In order to do a homework check, I'm just going to do a simple binary system, a thumbs up for homework done, thumbs up for homework not done. I'm also going to go ahead and add a red X in there to indicate absent, so a student that wasn't there when homework was checked. So what I want to do now is I want to give a name to my icon set. I'm going to change it from custom editor. So I'm just going to click on that name, custom editor, and use the keyboard to change it to homework completion. And then I'm going to click on done. So now that I have my icon set up, I'm going to go into my class and create a new tab. So I'm going to go to my test class here. And what I want to do is I need to create a new tab to start my homework checks. So I'm going to click on this button up here. And I'm going to call my new tab homework and click OK. Okay, so here's my new tab. It's called homework. As you can see up here, it's also called homework. So now what I need to do is I need to start building some columns using my new custom icon set. So I'm just going to go up here to the top and click on this new column button. So when I click on that, it's going to open this menu right here. And basically what that does for my column, I can put in the date. If you want to just quickly put in today's date, just click on today. You can give your column a header if you want, and then you can adjust the width of the column. What you're going to want to do is you want to assign your custom icon set to your column. So go in here and click on editor. So you've got homework, today's date. And when you click on editor, you'll get a drop down menu of a bunch of different icon sets. Go down to find the one that you created. There's homework completion. Click on OK. And that's going to create a new column with today's date. And all I have to do to bring up my icons is just double click in one of the cells, and it brings up my new icon. So I can just go down my class list, click the thumbs up for homework done, click the thumbs down for homework not done, or click off the X if the student's not there. Okay, and it starts to fill out. If I want to create a new column, the good thing about this is when I'm using this tab, if I just go ahead and click on the new column button, it'll create a new column with the exact same settings of the one that I just created in this tab. So it will already have the custom icons when I create a new column for tomorrow's homework check. iDoceo can also be used as a really good way of taking your daily attendance, or even taking attendance per period, which is what a teacher who is on high rotary might choose to do. And you can also customize the icons that you use for attendance as well. If you just go back to the home screen and click on the settings button again, go down to attendance, and by default iDoceo has three icons: green check mark for present, red X for absent, and little hourglass for late. Those three you can't change, but iDoceo allows you to add a fourth state. So if a student perhaps is away because they're suspended, you could put an icon in there to represent that. And then also under the attendance, you have a second set of icons that you can use as well. Now, I use these to indicate potential reasons why a student may be away. So here's what I've done here. I've added in a little caution sign to indicate if a student is away because they're suspended. And down here, I've put in some special icons. A little calendar to indicate that if a student is away on extended vacation, a little bus for field trip, a little trophy for sports tournament, and a little smiley face if the student is away for some sort of conference, if they're gone to contact to the office. Okay, so next I want to create a new tab. I don't want to put my attendance in my homework check tab, so I'm going to create a new tab and call it attendance. Click OK. Okay, and now I have a new page called attendance, and I can start creating columns in here for attendance. Now, for creating attendance is actually a lot easier to create your tabs. All you have to do is click and hold anywhere in this top bar. So click and hold is kind of like right-clicking with your mouse. So when you click and hold, you'll get this: add quick attendance check or add extra quick attendance check. And the difference is if you click quick attendance check, it'll put it in a column with today's date, and you'll have to double click in the cell to cycle through here or present, absent, and late. But if you do the extra quick attendance check, when you double click in one of the cells, it'll bring up this so you can go through and quickly check off all of your students. And as you can see here, I've used some secondary icons here for this student that's away. I clicked on the red X, and then I clicked on the little bus to indicate that they're away on a field trip. Same thing here: X for absent, calendar for extended vacation, X for absent, and little trophy for being away on a sports tournament. And up here, Mickey Mouse has been suspended. That's why they're away today. So that's how you create custom checklists in iDoceo. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you next time.